Isn't that amazing?
Hello and welcome to Human Edge Academy, your AI-proof job center. AI could replace 300 million jobs by 2030, Goldman Sachs 2023. But these 10 careers pay $100K plus and are untouchable. Here's why Job 3 is safest, and it needs no degree. I'm Dr. Sissi, your 70-year-old doctor, therapist, and career strategist. For decades, I've helped people future-proof their income. Today, I'm revealing the top 10 AI-proof jobs that won't just survive. They'll thrive in 2025 and beyond. Let's start with Job 1, Mental Health Therapist. Why? Because healing isn't just about words, it's about human connection. AI can't look into your eyes, sense your pain, or feel the weight of your silence. As a therapist and coach with decades of experience, I can tell you, no algorithm can replace the human touch. And with mental health awareness on the rise, this career is more in demand than ever. With salaries starting at $100K, time to learn, 9 years. Where to study? Universities like Columbia or UCLA and private institutes. Job 2, Creative Director. AI can generate art, but it can't innovate. It can't tell stories that move people or create campaigns that spark change. Creativity is deeply human, and companies are willing to pay top dollar for it. In 2025, creative directors are projected to earn upwards of $120K. Job 3. Now let's talk about skilled trades like electricians and plumbers. AI might be smart, but it can't fix a leaky pipe or rewire a house. These jobs require hands-on expertise, problem solving, and adaptability. And here's the kicker. With a shortage of skilled workers, these roles are paying over $100K in many areas. Job 4. Fourth on the list, leadership coaches. AI can analyze data, but it can't inspire people, build trust, or guide someone through a career transformation. Leadership is about empathy, vision, and human connection. Companies are investing heavily in it. By 2025, top leadership coaches are earning $150K or more. Job 5. Healthcare specialists, especially in geriatric care. As the population ages, the demand for compassionate, skilled caregivers is skyrocketing. AI can't replace the empathy, patience, and personal touch needed in this field. And with salaries reaching $100K plus, it's not just rewarding, it's lucrative. Job 6, Human Resources Manager. AI can screen resumes, but it can't handle complex interpersonal dynamics, conflict resolution, or organizational culture. These roles are essential, and by 2025, they're paying $110K plus. Job 7, Ethical AI Consultant. As AI grows, so does the need for experts who can ensure its ethical use. Job 8, Event Planners. AI can't manage the creativity, adaptability, and human dynamics needed to pull off a successful event. Job 9, Environmental Scientists. Solving environmental challenges requires innovation, fieldwork, and a deep understanding of ecosystems. Job 10, Mediators and Conflict Resolution Specialists. AI can't replicate the empathy, negotiation, and emotional intelligence needed to resolve conflicts. So there you have it, 10 AI-proof careers that are not only secure but highly rewarding. Remember, the key to thriving in the age of AI is leveraging your human edge, empathy, creativity, and adaptability. If you're ready to take the next step in your career, I invite you to download my free AI-proof skills checklist, linked in the description below. Still searching for the perfect job? Don't worry. Head over to our channel for more videos on AI-proof jobs that could be just right for you. It was my pleasure having you here today. Until next time, remember, the future belongs to those who embrace their humanity. Your future, your human edge.